What's good, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, here which is Main Script. So 4 days ago I made a video on how I made $6,200 on UpsideOnly AI. Then I said they paid me just $7. So I showed us in the video. So you see my available balance, and I said in the video that I'm going to show us on how to make withdrawal, because I was not able to make withdrawal. Why? Because I needed to complete my KYC verification, and my KYC verification has been approved already. So looking at my stats now, you see that my win rate already dropped to 50%, and the reason was because of a trade I took on ETH. Yeah, so I took this particular sell trade, but it has just been arranging, and also it went back to hit me out at my SL, but I still feel maybe we should still have a drop to the downside. And also BTC decided to react from this area here. I lost about $2,000 on the account. Let me get straight to the video. If you want to make withdrawal from your upside only, so just come over to the website, then just click on this withdraw button. In the previous video I made, I showed you how to complete your KYC verification, that is uploading a document. You can just go ahead to watch the video to understand how to complete your KYC verification. So it has been approved. So now I just need to set my bank account. So I need to select my country here, which is Nigeria. Then I just need to set up my bank account. Presently their crypto withdrawal is not available, so they said we are working on crypto withdrawals, but they won't be ready for 2 to 3 weeks. So they say they're working on crypto withdrawals that within a month their crypto withdrawals will be back. But if you want to make withdrawal, you can make them directly to your bank account. So you can go ahead to enter your account holder name, account number, the BIC code or SWIFT code, the account type, either checking or savings. Make sure you do that. Your country, enter your street address, city, state, postal code. Then just click on this save bank. So your bank is going to be saved already. So but I'm having a balance of $7, so I still want to like trade on this account to be able to secure the money, to secure the funds to a much more higher amount. Then I can just go ahead to withdraw to my bank account, since they said crypto withdrawals is not available yet. Okay, just clicking on that. When you scroll down, you see your profile. I'll just go over to payment. It's only payout to bank that is available, like I said. So we have to wait for a month for crypto withdrawals to be available. So just going over to verification, I already completed my light verification, but for this full verification, it unlocks at 1,000 withdrawable balance. So once I have $1,000 to be able to withdraw, so I'll be able to perform this full verification. But presently, this is the one I can perform, light verification I showed you in the video. Going back to this security, before you be able to go ahead with your payments, you have to do your two-factor authentication. Okay, so that is just all for this video. I just decided to show us the withdrawal. I can go ahead to make my withdrawal now, but the amount is very small, and since I'm not using the lifetime available earnings I'm having here to trade, so I can still keep it here. And let's say withdraw when it gets to $20, when it gets to $50, I can just go ahead to make the withdrawal. As you know, what we're using to trade is your virtual balance. So once you're trading 100% with your virtual balance and you want to take another trade, they are going to bring a suggestion of you using the available balance you're having to trade. So make sure you don't do that mistake. Don't use your earnings to trade. So that will be all for this video. If you found this video interesting, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any updates I'll be dropping. See you on the next update. Bye guys.